Hi everyone, I'm back with a superfood recipe. That's beans. They are the single best longevity supplement available, and they're also called the superfood because they have an ideal mix of protein, carbohydrates, fat, fiber, full of nutrients. And that's not it. Beans support in digestion, regulates blood sugar, lowers our cholesterol, boosts our heart health, reduces cancer cells, builds our immunity, and reduces the inflammation. They are a power pack. We need to add them into our meals every day, one bean per day. So the variety of beans in nature, which nature has given us, is in abundance. Kidney beans, chickpeas, black beans, pinto beans, fava beans, white bean, black-eyed bean, and the lentils. So we are spoiled for choice. Today we're going to be making a recipe with 3 beans. Full of protein, so we're looking for protein. This is the recipe. When you're looking for a lot of nutrients and fibers, this is the recipe. And if you don't feel like eating a meal, this is meal in itself. Let's start it. So these are the kidney beans, white bean, and black-eyed bean, and the chickpeas. I'm going to be making the dressing first, which is going to be mint and jalapeno dressing. I'm adding mint leaves, the vegan curd, jalapenos. I've taken 3 slices of jalapenos and with the water. You can also use green chilies if you don't have them, or if you don't like jalapenos, you can use them too. Some salt. Chili flakes is to garnish, so we'll keep it later. Here. Let's blend them. Looks like it is done. Here, the dressing is ready. Let's start making our salad. I'm taking 1 cup of the rajma, the kidney beans, the black-eyed bean, 1 cup, the chickpeas. So these all were soaked overnight and boiled. We do not need to add soda or any of these things if we soak it overnight. When we soak beans, lentils or legumes or pulses, it digests very, very easily because it's cooked easily. I'm adding the capsicum, the green capsicum, onions, tomatoes, and some tofu. Let's mix all of them. God, this looks so amazing. Here, let's add the dressing. Just pour the dressing over it. This smells so good with fresh mint and jalapeno. What a combination. And let's mix them. If you want it spicy, you can add some chili flakes. If you like it mild, then the jalapeno are enough. Here, our salad is ready. Just sprinkle some chili flakes if you want. Here. Thank you so much. If you like it, please share the video and also share the picture when you make it. See you with the next recipe.